According to research, traditional farming methods often produce harmful pollutants that contribute to climate change. Maize and rice farming have particularly been implicated in the release of harmful gases into the atmosphere. The Crops Research Institute of the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research is therefore exploring various agricultural technologies to combat this menace through the Agroecology and Circular Economy for Ecosystem Services project.
The ACE 4 years project seeks to explore innovative techniques that can reduce these pollutants while improving the health of the soil and the crops. As part of the project objectives, scientists will try out different methods of farming, such as crop livestock system, integrated soil fertility management, composting, biochar application, site-specific nitrogen management, rotational cropping, among others, to see which ones work best for the environment and for farmers. The scientists will then build the capacity of farmers and policymakers on these technologies. Speaking at the project launch, the project coordinator, Dr. Kwaku Asante, was hopeful the adoption of these technologies will lead to better farming outcomes.
The key objectives are to assess the effectiveness of agroecology and circular economy technologies in reducing short-lived climate pollutants emission from agricultural fuels, and then to develop and validate ACE practices tailored towards agroecological zones, focusing on maize and rice production systems.
The director of Crops Research Institute, Professor Moses Mocha, touted the institute's quest to pursue initiatives aimed at combating climate change.
As the lead institution for this project, we are deeply honored to spearhead efforts aimed at integrating agroecology and circular economics principles into maize and rice production systems.
Director General of the CSIR, Professor Paul Busu, was also grateful to the stakeholders for the realization of the project and asked for their commitment towards achieving the goals of the project.
Agroecology and circular economy principles, we are embarking on a journey towards sustainable and resilient food systems. I extend my heartfelt appreciation to all the partners and stakeholders who have contributed to the development and implementation of this project. Your dedication and collaboration have been instrumental in bringing us to this point.
Minister of Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation, Mrs. Ophelia Mensah-Hayford, pledged the government support and urged the council to intensify communication and advocacy of their activities. Reporting for Joy News, Kwesi Deborah.